Hello everyone. In this PowerToys video, I will show you another very important feature or tools which can be very much helpful in many cases. It's called Keyboard Manager. You can find it under Input Output Keyboard Manager. Okay, just make sure from dashboard it's enabled. Okay, you can see now it's disabled. Or if you go and let's say you can find from here, as there is no search option, you can see it's labeled as Keyboard Manager. Just turn it on, or you can go to Input Output Keyboard Manager and turn it on. Okay, so what it will do, let's assume a scenario. You are a laptop user and some key is not working properly, as it shorted, and always type, let's say, the key D is continuously pressing. Okay, so what you can do, you can use the on-screen keyboard, or you for that specific key D, and what you can do, you can disable the D from your built-in keyboard. Okay, so if you can see that Keyboard Manager is enabled here, what you can do, you can remap a key. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to, here you can see that I have already disabled my page down key. Okay, I have disabled it. Okay, you can delete it from here. I delete it, and I will add a new key remapping for the letter D. Okay, I will select this one, select, and I will press my letter D. See, it's showing here, and I will OK to continue. Next, what I will do, I may remap it, or I will disable it. Okay, where you can find, you can remap to any key for this letter D, or at the very top you can find the disable. Okay, so after that, just press OK, continue. Now you just disabled your letter D. Okay, now if I write something here, let's type something, A S D. See, I am pressing D, but it's not showing here. Okay, F, A S D, F, it's not showing the, or pressing the letter D. Okay, so this can be a very useful utility from PowerToys. Also, you can remap a shortcut, remap shortcuts to other shortcuts, keys or text snippets for all or specific application. You can do this also here. You can just click here, add shortcut remapping. Okay, first of all, you can see an example here. Let's assume select Alt plus T and send Control plus T only on Microsoft Edge. For that, what you are doing here, you are remapping a shortcut Alt plus T to Control T, and you can do this for a specific application. Okay, so let's start adding a shortcut mapping. First, from here you will select the shortcut, let's say this one, F17. Okay, you can see what it's saying. If you select anything, shortcut must start with a modifier key like Shift, Control, Alt. Let's check this from Control A. Okay, let's find out Control here. Yeah, you can see Control, then A, to where is control? It should be very much helpful if there is if any search option here. That can be very much helpful. I hope it will be solved in future updates. So we are not finding the control here. Control left and number 3. Okay, all apps, or you define the specific apps for that. So if I do this for all control A to any application, it will control A will not work. It will be replaced to control numpad 3. Okay, so this is another use case if you want to use the same shortcut in many apps. Okay, I think just explore, and I think this can be very helpful to you day-to-day life. Okay, that's all for today. I will see you in next one.